Sadguru Sanskriti Gurukula chanting there. All the dignitaries following behind our main guests. Explaining the construct of the Chandrakund. You have the 32 massive steps that lead to the water that is down below. The linga embedded. And the mural that you can see. Vibrant natural colors, vegetable dyes in the traditional 15th century Kerala style of painting. This too depicts the Kumbh Mela, with a sacred river flowing down the center, crowds of yogis and ascetics on one side of the bank and householders on the other side of the bank. The way the Kumbh Mela used to be, which was consecrated by Sadguru after 3 years of intense process of Prana Pratishtha, a pure energy process wherein the energies of all 7 chakras are raised to the peak and locked to prevent dissipation over time. The doorway to enlightenment and liberation, Dhyana Linga, offers the spiritual seeker the opportunity to do sadhana in the most intimate way in the presence of a live guru, an opportunity traditionally available to only a select few. Here, they will participate in Panchabhuta Kriya. But before it begins, the other distinguished guests that we have attending this auspicious Mahashivratri night at the Isha Yoga Center, and as I had mentioned their names before, the Honorable Governor of Punjab and his wife, the Honorable Governor of Odisha and his wife, the Union Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs, Shri L. Murugan, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, Shri D.K. Shivakumar, all will be seated in Analinga, portraying the Shiva Bhakts. The Union Minister will now offer the Linga Jyoti to Dhyana Linga. This is a unique lamp that combines the elements of water and fire and has been designed by Sadguru to be offered to Dhyana Linga as a symbol of purification and light. Sri Amit Shah adorning himself with his and a spectacular cultural performance by renowned artists. The event is being translated live into 22 languages, 11 Indian and 11 global. The live stream can be Sri L. Murugan and the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, Shri D.K. Shivakumar. Sadguru and the Honorable Union Minister of Home Affairs, Shri Amit Shah, visiting the Naga. In the yogic tradition, as well as in many cultures around the world, the serpent holds special significance for its ability to be still and its extraordinary sense of perception. Consecrated by Sadguru, the Naga's energies are extremely supportive for health, prosperity, and exploring the mystical dimensions of life. Sadguru will now be tying an Abhay Sutra to the Honorable Union Minister. The Abhay Sutra, specially consecrated thread that is tied around one's wrist. Abhay literally means beyond fear, and the sutra is supportive in overcoming one's fears and fulfilling one's ambitions. Nandi, who is Adi Yogi's eternal companion, also revered as an access point to Adi Yogi. I must mention here that Sadhguru has also consecrated Naga at Sadhguru Sannadhi in Bengaluru, the first consecration of its kind in over 800 years. Getting a glimpse of Suryakund from a higher point, as the students of Samskriti project sitting there on the steps and chanting of Isha Yoga Center, dressed for this special day, the day of Mahashivratri, the day of awakening. Every month, on the spiritually auspicious day of Pradosham, devotees have the opportunity to participate accompanied by Sadhguru and many other officials, the Union Minister now walking to the Devi temple to have a darshan of Linga Bhairavi Devi. These are all special spaces that have been consecrated specially by Sadhguru. The Linga Bhairavi, the ultimate manifestation of the divine feminine, powerful and all-encompassing, fierce and compassionate at once. The mural that you can see as they pass by, the Trimurti panel, the prostrate figure that you saw was the Devi Dandam, and as he is entering the Linga Bhairavi shrine, we've got the Vata Vriksha, which plays a significant role in Daha Nivaranam, a ritual designed to quench one's deepest desires. Sri Amit Shah offering Tirtham or sacred water to the banyan tree and decorating it with jasmine flowers. The Devi's Trishul, representing her raw and fierce energy, where the Honorable Union Minister has offered a ghee lamp or Nei Deepam. Offering a ghee lamp to the Trishul symbolizes one's desire to rise above all limitations and dispel the darkness within. As our dignitary moving towards the inner sanctum of Linga Bhairavi, where he will offer Samarpanam to the Devi. Samarpanam comprises an offering of a coconut, kumkum, turmeric, betel nut, jasmine flowers, bilva and neem leaves, and Naivedyam to Devi for the overall well-being of individuals and families. In keeping with the spirit of the feminine, the sanctum sanctorum of Linga Bhairavi is taken care of entirely by women devotees called Vairagini Mas and Devi Upasakas. The energy of Linga Bhairavi strengthens the three basic chakras in the human system, stabilizing one's body, mind, and energy systems. Whether a devotee seeks to acquire, enjoy, or transcend the physical and material aspects of life, the Devi assists in whatever one's aspirations may be. Devi pendant and chain being given to the Union Home Minister by Sadhguru. Doubly blessed by the Devi and Sadhguru. Samarpanam done. Prasadam be given. Our guests will now move out of the sanctum sanctorum and proceed towards Chandrakund. The Union Minister for Home Affairs now tying the Mangalya Bala Sutra, a turmeric dyed thread with turmeric root around the Trishul. The sutra is an appeal for Devi's grace and for the well-being of one's family. The Devi's Trishul representing her raw and fierce energy. So many wishes, so many prayers, all tied together and woven around the Trishul. Sadhguru escorting the Union Minister for Home Affairs and the Minister for Cooperation, Shri Amit Shah.